Transform your Google Docs into stunning presentations, interactive websites, and polished documents with Gamma's Google Docs integration. Whether you're starting with a rough draft or a polished document, Gamma's AI can help you turn your content into something extraordinary. The Google Docs integration empowers different types of users. Content creators can transform their ideas in Google Doc into engaging presentations and websites, with AI distributing content across beautifully designed cards. Teams can import documents to create polished presentations, with AI handling structure and visuals. Educators can convert course materials into interactive learning experiences that blend text, media, and embedded content. Getting started. There are two main ways to work with Google Docs in Gamma. The first one is the option of transform your document. Click Create New with AI from the dashboard. Select Import File or URL. Choose Import from Drive. Select your Google Doc. Let Gamma's AI transform your content into a stunning presentation. The second way is to embed a live document in Gamma. Use the / command. Type /docs or /drive and paste your Google Doc link. Use the Insert menu, navigate to Embed Apps and Web Pages. Select Google Drive and add your document link. Tips and tricks. When importing Google Docs for transformation, Gamma offers several powerful options. Let's start with content distribution. You can choose Freeform to let AI automatically distribute your content. Select Card by Card for more manual control, or specify the exact number of cards for your presentation. Next, let's look at content enhancement. Here, you can condense your content for a concise overview, expand it with AI-generated details, or customize it for specific audiences and tones, giving you complete control over how your message is delivered. Finally, when it comes to visual enhancement, Gamma offers powerful tools to make your presentation stand out. You can let AI suggest relevant images from the web, generate custom AI images that perfectly match your content, or apply professional themes to ensure visual consistency throughout your presentation. For embedded docs, click Advanced to access display settings and metadata. Choose from different display options. Embed shows the document within your Gamma. Preview displays a link with title and description. Button creates a clickable button. Link shows the URL. And that's how you integrate Gamma with Google Docs. Try it today at gamma.app and experience a new way of presenting ideas, powered by AI.